Hi everybody, this is your basic maintenance. I give an example here of my car, Renault Clio 3, 2012 I think. The purpose of this video to show you that you can do basic service without even lifting the car. Granted, some of the cars you need to lift it, lift them up, but this specific car you don't really need, and you can do it. Now take notice, this is only the basic, okay? You need to do additional checks, like your wheels, your brakes, your suspensions, and what else. But this is the basics, okay? So you need a ratcheting wrench. With this specific car needs 8mm square key. You can buy it very cheap. I leave all the things and tools you need in the description box below. You can check it out. This is the underneath of the car. It's a squeeze tight, but you can do it. This is the oil plug. This is hard to film and do it, but I try. Oh, it's off. Now I take my bucket and I put it below. Okay, in my car you can see the black ring. You need to put it in this direction, okay? Now I take my new washer, with my plug, and I plug the hole. Okay, so I just almost finished to drain the oil. I come to the oil filter, start to disassemble some things that in my way. Taking this here, I have a tab. I push it, it's come off. Here I have another tab. It's broken, but you need to remove it. Here another tab. So assembly to the side, and here is the oil filter. Okay, if you're lucky you can remove it by hand. I don't feel so lucky, but I will try, and let's see. Now I need to tighten the oil plug. In this car, the alternator is right here and the oil filter is right there. I know from experience, if I try to put something metal in here, this will spark. So as a precaution, I just remove the negative terminal. If only I can remove this, okay. Work it loose. Inside. Break it loose. Off the post. Let's put it here so I don't lose it. Now I know. Okay, this is the oil filter. Let's try remove it by hand. Probably won't make it, but I will try. I'll give it a go. Nope, too tight. I will use this. Okay, so this is the setup. This is the oil filter and the wrench. And Now I take it this way. It's now turning. Try to make you see. It's turning a little bit at a time. Now the filter is very loose. I got my bucket underneath. I remove it very slowly and gentle. Oh my god, it's fucking tight. I guess that's what she said. There you go, one oil filter. Now, you notice that the oil seal is come with it. If not, you need to fish it out. It's very, very important. This is my new filter. I put a little bit of grease on the seal. Now I put it back. Only hand tight. Okay? When you fill up the oil, you don't need a funnel or anything like that. You just need 2-liter bottle. Okay? And you cut the end off. You clean it up so there's no water. You got a funnel to dispose on. I suggest pour a little bit and check for leaks. If you got leaks, you need to find it right now. Now I clean it a little bit. I put some brake cleaner after, just to make sure I don't have oil leaks. The oil, it's hard to see in camera. The oil is up to here. The oil filter is empty now, so it's probably a good idea to add a little bit more so it's in the top.